Hello students, good evening all of you. In this session, let us discuss some important questions which are from general organic chemistry. So mostly in JEE Mains exam last year, September and January session. So most of the questions we could see from general organic chemistry. So I will discuss some important questions in some videos. Okay, it is the first video for the discussing of the some questions in general organic chemistry. Okay. So here first question is the products P and Q in the following reactions respectively. Okay. So here you can see the sodium amide is a strong base. Okay. The sodium amide is a strong base. So that needs a proton. So actually here that can remove hydrogens from this carbon or from this carbon. Okay. So if the base remove the hydrogens from this carbon, this is the conjugate base. Okay. This is the conjugate base. Now if a hydrogens removed from the this one CH2 minus. Okay. So hydrogens are removed from the methyl group or hydrogens removed from the hydrogen from this carbon. So between these two, which conjugate base is the more stable? Okay. So generally here this conjugate base is stabilized by the aromatic nature. There are 6 pi electrons. There is a continuous delocalization throughout the ring. There is a non-stoppable continuous conjugation throughout the ring with 6 pi electrons. So it is an aromatic ion. This is an aromatic ion. You know that aromatic ions are more stable. So here in this case the product is aromatic ion, because in this case of course here also 6 pi electrons are in conjugation, but it is not aromatic. This is a non-aromatic species because this carbon is a sp3 carbon. That carbon is a sp3 carbon. This is not a aromatic cyclic ring, but this is a aromatic cyclic ring. This conjugate base is more stable, so these hydrogens are more acidic. So in this reaction the most acidic hydrogens are removed by this base. So product is in this case this one, the pi bond here negative, here this one is the CH3. Okay, that's it. And next here let us try to write the product Q in this reaction. Here actually here AgNO3, that Ag combines with silver. Okay, that silver has a affinity, strong affinity towards halogens. So here in this case either Cl can be removed by the silver. Okay, either chlorine can be removed by the silver. So here there are two chances. If this chlorine is removed by the Ag plus, so this is the this is the ion. Okay, this pi 1. Now if this chlorine is removed by the silver, this is the ion. So Cl here in this case plus. Now here in this case these two cations are stabilized by the resonance actually, but here in this case again here 6 pi electrons, sorry here 2 pi electrons in this case. There is one pi bond here, there is a positive charge, there is a continuous conjugation with 2 pi electrons. So it is an aromatic species. Now here in this case again there is a conjugation, but it is not a aromatic. This one is not a aromatic species. So this is a more stable cation. So here in this case Cl is removed to produce a more stable cation. So the product Q is also aromatic species. That is okay. The plus here NO3 minus, that is the ionic compound. Here in this case AgCl, white precipitate is produced. If it is a bromine, that is a AgBr. AgBr is the yellow precipitate. Okay. Next here in this case the correct order of stability of the following carbocations. Okay, so you know that carbocations are electron deficient. These electron deficient carbocations are stabilized by the electron donating groups. Okay, so here in this case electron donating groups means here either plus I groups or plus M groups or plus H. That means here positive hyperconjugative groups. Okay, so you know that carbocations are stabilized by the inductive effect, resonance effect, or hyperconjugation effect. Now here let us see this one. Which carbocation is more stable? Now here first of all this carbocation is stabilized by the plus M effect of the methoxy group. So here I am writing the structure double bond here, this one carries a positive charge. Okay, this carbocation is stabilized by the plus M effect. Now here this carbocation is stabilized by the just here pi conjugation. This carbocation is stabilized by the pi conjugation. Okay. So in this case, there is no conjugation with this plus M group. Okay. So, but here in this case, this is directly attached to the positively charged carbon. There is a working of the plus M effect. Now here in this case, there is no plus M effect. But here there is a resonance with the pi bond. Now here in this case, there is no pi bond and this oxygen lone pair of electrons are not in conjugation. Is not a proper connection. So here in this case, it is stabilized by the just hyperconjugation. Here 3 alpha hydrogens, here 3 alpha hydrogens, here 2 alpha hydrogens. So here totally 8 alpha hydrogens are there. Okay. For this one, here CH3 and here CH3. So 6 alpha hydrogens plus it is stabilized by the resonance. Now here in this case, it is stabilized by the CH3, here CH3, 6 alpha hydrogens plus here M effect. It is stabilized by the M effect. Okay. So here mesomeric effect is a more dominating than the here conjugation with the one pi bond. Okay. Just here resonance with only one pi bond. Here resonance with that plus M group. It is a more stable. C is more stable. And next here between these two here it is stabilized by the resonance. It is not stabilized by the resonance. Okay. And it is also not stabilized by the plus M effect of the methoxy group. So here in this case B next and A is the least stabilized compound. Okay. So this is the final stability order. It is stabilized by the plus M effect. And here one of the resonating structure gains octet configuration. Okay. It is a resonating structure of this one. In this case, here every atom has an octet configuration, but at this one, here carbon has 6 electrons, no octet configuration, but it is stabilized by the octet configuration. Okay, that octet configuration gained by the plus M effect of the methoxy group. That's why it is a more stable one. Okay, it is stabilized by the one pi bond conjugation. Here stabilized by just here hyperconjugation, and here additionally this is a minus I group, so is a less stable carbocation. That minus I group attract the electrons towards itself. This carbon carries some positive charge. Here positive repel each other. That's why it gets a instability. Okay, finally this is the stability order. That's it. So next let us discuss some more questions from general organic chemistry. So it is based on the stability of the carbocations and radicals. Okay. The first question is the most stable radical among the following. Okay. So in this case, this radical stabilized by the resonance. This radical also stabilized by the resonance. Okay. This radical stabilized by the resonance. This radical also stabilized by the resonance. Okay. Because there is a resonance with the pi bond and single electron carbon. For suppose this is the allyl type radical. Okay, this one has a two resonating structures, CH2 bond CH, double bond CH2. Okay, allyl radical has a two resonating structures. So here all these radicals are stabilized by the resonance, but here we have to choose the stability of these radicals. Okay, so here in this case, this radical stabilized by the only one pi bond. Okay, that means here conjugation with only one pi bond. So here among this one, it is the least stable radical. Now here it is stabilized by the conjugation with the pi bond. Here also conjugation with the pi bond. It is stabilized by the conjugation with the pi bond. Here also conjugation with the pi bond. But here in this case, two pi bonds conjugation. Here additionally there is a one alpha hydrogen. That means additionally it is stabilized by the hyperconjugation. But for this one hyperconjugation is not possible. Okay, there is no other carbon. So between these two, here this A1 is a more stable one than this one. Okay. Now we are coming to this one. It is stabilized by the conjugation with the two pi bonds. Okay. Of course, it is a linear conjugation. It is a cross conjugation. It is also cross conjugation because this pi bond at one time is conjugated with this radical and this pi bond is conjugated with this radical. Okay. That means here it's not a continuous conjugation. It is a cross conjugation. This radical is in conjugation with this pi bond or with this pi bond. But in this case, this radical is in conjugation continuously with these two pi bonds. Okay, there is a linear conjugation here. These two are the cross conjugation because this radical at the same time cannot be conjugated, cannot be inverted in conjugation with these two pi bonds. Okay, this radical can be involved in a delocalization either with this pi bond or with this pi bond. Here also same. So these two are stabilized by the cross conjugation. It is stabilized by the linear conjugation. Okay, so generally linear conjugation brings the more stability. So next here, in this case, the linear conjugation more stable, and additionally here CH3, here two hydrogens, that means here it is also stabilized by the extra 5 hyperconjugated structures. Okay, here no hyperconjugation, here only one hyperconjugation. So D is more stable, and next here in this case A and B and C. C is the least stable because here conjugation with only one pi bond. Okay, that's it. And next the number of more stable cations than benzyl cation. Okay, so you know that benzyl cation is this one. Okay, so here in this case this is the benzyl cation. Okay, so without any group, that is a benzyl cation. Okay, CH2 plus, that's it. So here I am writing that one methyl group, that's it. So how many carbocations are more stable than the benzyl carbocation? So generally you know that benzyl carbocations are stabilized by the plus M groups and destabilized by the minus M groups. Okay, so here in this case CH3 is a plus I group as well as a plus H that makes some hyperconjugation, so it is a more stable. Okay, next here CF3 is a minus I group, it is a less stable than the benzyl carbocation. Now here it is an electron withdrawing group. Okay, this electron withdrawing group makes positive charge at the ortho position as well as at the para position. So positive repel each other. So this is a destabilized. Okay, that's it. Next here, this OH is a plus M group. That OH plus M group makes the negative charge at ortho position and para positions. Okay, so here negative positive, more stabilization. So it is a more stable. Next here also NH2 donating group, it is also more stable. Here that means the NN dimethyl amine group is also a plus M group. Plus M group stabilize the carbocation. So next here NO2 minus M group destabilize the carbocation. NMe3 N plus. Okay, that means this is a positively charged group. Positively charged groups are the strong minus I groups. So destabilize the carbocation. So here more stable cations than the benzyl carbocation are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just here 4 cations among the given ions are more stable than the benzyl cation. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share the video and like the video.